Unlock the power of seamless design to development with the essential Figma to Webflow plugin. First, let's get the plugin installed. Navigate to your Figma plugins menu, search for Figma to Webflow, and hit install. It's that simple to bring your dream website to life faster. Now, select the design element you wish to transfer. This could be an entire page, a specific section, or even individual components like buttons or cards. Precision is key here. With your selection made, open the Figma to Webflow plugin. You'll see options to export your design directly. Choose the appropriate export setting that best suits your needs, typically generating clean HTML and CSS. Head over to your Webflow project. You can now directly paste the generated code into your Webflow canvas. Watch as your Figma designs magically materialize within the Webflow environment. The beauty of this plugin is that your design elements are transferred as editable Webflow components. This means you can tweak spacing, adjust colors, and refine typography without touching a single line of code. Make any necessary adjustments directly within Webflow's intuitive interface. This allows for rapid iteration and customization, ensuring your website perfectly matches your vision. And there you have it, a stunning, dynamic website built with the power of Figma and Webflow. All thanks to this incredible plugin. Streamline your workflow and create amazing web experiences faster than ever before.